Get moving. With this cardio bar workout, you can feel the burn and raise your heart rate in just 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Whether you need low-impact exercises or a little challenge, we've got you covered. Let's go.
Today we're covering cardio. All you'll need are 2 light weights, either 1, 2, or 3 pounds, and you'll just need a cleared space around you. Let's begin. We'll start with those feet in line with the hips and take it back to a little squat bicep curl and press it up. Keep going. Push and pull through those heels. Abdominals engaged. Curl in, resist with those weights. 7, 8, 9, 10, bring it up, take it nice and wide. And now we're going to bicep curl and curtsy and step. Curtsy and step. Stay here. Six, 7, trying to keep those hips squared forward. 9, stay here on 10, little pulses. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, step and pulse here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center and curtsy. Alternate. Keep breathing, keep moving. Make sure those knees track the center of the feet when you bend. 2 more, 9, 10, good. Now, bicep curl, open, bicep curl, open, bicep curl. 4, good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come center and stay here for 1, 2, pulse, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, step, pulse 10, 9, 8, keep breathing, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, step center. Now we're gonna turn, find yourself a little squat here, hinge forward slightly, and we're gonna lift and alternate. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do them together for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in, keep it low, and step for 1, 2. Hug those elbows. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going for 10, 9. You're doing great. 8, 7, 6. Hug those elbows. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step it up. Now take it to goalpost arms here. Alternate for 1, 2, 3. Keep those collarbones wide, shoulders away from the ears. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it back right here. You're doing great. 1 more minute. Abdominals are engaged. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right here. 9. Squeeze those elbows. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it here. Both together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now back to those squats and bicep curl. You're almost there. Almost there. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Press it up. Woo, good job. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.